How to automate Telegram notifications. So first, open the workflow that you have on your actual n8n. Now from in there, just head over and add a trigger event. My trigger event will be a scheduled trigger. Now click on this plus icon in order to add another node. For this, proceed to search for Telegram. Once you have searched for that, click onto this right here. And then just send in your Telegram notification. So we have chat actions, callback, message actions, and the likes. So for this case, let's proceed to add right here or send a text message or a message regarding our actual notification. Choose right here this one. After we have done that, choose right here the credential and click on this create new. Choose right here or add in here the access token from your Telegram that you can retrieve from their actual account. So choose right here as well the base URL that you want to use. From there, choose the operation, which is send message. Enter here the chat ID, the text for that, and then head over and get back to your canvas in order to save it all together. With this, you can automate sending Telegram notification depending on what kind of message you want to send every day. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.